Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products for these boots, the restaurant boots. Now let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the seating area, they are about like 18 inches deep. Entirely, the units will be 25 inches deep, and the overall height will be 46 and 3 and 4 inches tall. Now let's take a look at the heights. The seating area has about like 17 inches tall, and the length they are about like 46.5 inches entirely. And the units have styling design. They're having the button at the backboard and the flat seating areas. And this is overall looking at the front. So let me show you the behinds. This unit is all leather covers, so all the back areas, they still have the leather covers on it. That's all information about the units. Let me know if there are more questions. Please contact with us. Thank you.